Module 9, Asynchronous JavaScript and AJAX. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 9, we'll focus on asynchronous programming in JavaScript and using AJAX to fetch data from a server. You'll learn about callbacks, promises, and async/await. For example, using the Fetch API. HTML. Script. Fetch, https://api.example.com/data. Then, response equals to response.json. Then, data equals console.log, data. Catch, error equals console.error, error. /script. And using async/await. HTML. Script. Async function fetch data. Try. Let response equals await fetch, https://api.example.com/data. Let data equals await response.json. Console.log, data. Catch, error. Console.error, error. Fetch data. /script. Exercises will help you practice asynchronous operations, and a lab project will guide you in creating a web page that fetches and displays data from an API. An interactive quiz will reinforce your learning. By the end of this module, you'll be proficient in asynchronous programming and using AJAX in JavaScript. Let's master asynchronous JavaScript and AJAX.